Hi everyone, I'm Shea. I'm a product marketing manager on Nest, focusing on connectivity, so our Wi-Fi products. We've updated some features that make it even easier to connect to the internet on slow connections. We've also done some work around our priority device controls, which is awesome for everyone working from home. We didn't see enough uptake of Wi-Fi 6 chips in other devices that would make it truly useful to have in people's routers. It's a constant trade-off of the size of different devices and the functionality that they have, but again, we're always looking for ways to improve our devices. At least 2 4K streams going at once. I've personally gotten multiple in very different rooms, and it was awesome. One of it could be the package you're getting from your internet service provider. One component might be the modem, but when we tested Nest and Google Wi-Fi, we made sure that they worked with a variety of modems. The vast majority of people weren't using the Ethernet ports on their Wi-Fi points around their house, and instead to pack extra helpfulness in there in the form of a speaker with the Google Assistant. So the vast majority of people have their router in a place that's not really helpful to have a speaker built in. So instead, we decided to make sure we were able to put more Wi-Fi power. I would love a bubble of Wi-Fi that would follow me everywhere, no matter where I am.